Why is it that so many new businesses struggle, and why do they continue to struggle year after year, some for 10, 20 years, no matter how hard they work, what they do, or how much money they spend on marketing? They just keep breaking even or making very low profits and eventually burn themselves out. Why is this? What is wrong? There's one single reason, and in this video I share this golden secret with you, and then I show you 5 essential elements that I call the fastest route to the cash, and how you fix this issue once and for all. And it works for any business, online or offline, or any industry. The problem is most people in business do not understand how money flows. And if you don't figure this out, you will never make money in business. Money doesn't get transacted where there is resistance, or very little money does. This is just how money flows. When you go to buy something, you go to where you want to spend your money and transact easily. There's a natural flow. You're not willing to hand over your money to someone for something that you don't really want. It's logical, right? So here the money is not flowing, and so money will not get transacted easily here. So how do you make money flow easily in your business? Well, there are 5 essential steps for transforming your business. The first one is, are you in a red hot niche? Is your business correctly positioned in a red hot niche where there are plenty of hungry, willing to buy customers? Are you positioned where the cash is flowing easily? Or is your ideal business positioned outside of a red hot niche where there's not much cash flowing and customers are not interested in buying? You want to move your business into these sweet spots and not try and pull a market to you. That's just too hard and it doesn't work. 2. What is your X factor? Why should customers shop with you and not your competition? You need to stand out in the crowd, and it can't be the reason you think is so marvelous, which is what most businesses do. They tell their customers how wonderful they are. Customers don't care how wonderful you are. They care about what you can do for them better than anyone else. Number 3, who are your real customers? Not everyone is your customer. You can't sell meat to vegetarians, no matter how fancy your car is or how many times it's been blessed by the Pope. There's also a huge difference between your ideal customers and your real customers. Your ideal customers are customers you think will buy from you or you want to buy from you. But your real customers are the ones who actually buy from you. They give you the cash, the quickest and the easiest. This is paying attention to where the cash is flowing. Number 4, what do they want to pay you for cash for? What do they want to pay cash for? Once you know who your real customers are, what do they now want to buy from you the quickest and the easiest? So what do most businesses do? They create a product and service and then sell it to the world. What you want to do is find out first exactly what your customers want to hand over cash for. Then you tailor match your solution. This is simply following where the cash is naturally flowing. And finally, what will you sell them next? This is now building your sales pipeline of products you know people really want. And when you put these 5 steps together, you are following a logical process of where, how, and what customers buy. This is the quickest route to the cash. Most businesses don't do this. Instead, they are designing their websites first with the wrong messaging and selling the wrong products to the wrong people. And that's why they struggle. So if you would like help getting your business to the quickest route to the cash quickly and easily, then book a free no obligation 15-minute call with me. I will put your business through a business health x-ray, and within that 15 minutes, I will show you your 3 biggest challenges and how to fix them. It's a conversation with no hooks or catches or obligations, but it could change your life as it has for hundreds of others. All you need to do is email me at luke@ideasintobusiness.com with a few dates and times, and I'll take care of the rest.